This process runs through an easy way you can onboard your brigade, group, or unit members onto the BART system. As an administrator, ask your members to download the BART app from either the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, your members will need to open the BART team app on their device. They'll see the sign-in screen in the app, where they can tap on the Sign Up option at the bottom of the screen. Your member will then be taken to the registration screen within the BART website. They'll need to fill in all fields marked with an asterisk, including the name of your brigade, group, or unit. After submitting the request, you as an administrator can accept them into your group by going to Settings, Group Requests.